look through there and see what you like, what you don't like, but you know it's going to go well, and you come up with something, and bada boom, bada bing, you don't need a recipe. What's going on, man? I was sitting upstairs thinking, I was like, what do people need to feel more comfortable not needing a recipe, throwing the recipe out the door, but still being able to take ingredients and with confidence put them together, knowing that they're going to taste okay, if not complete dynamite. And the people at the Flavor Bible, and this is not sponsored by the Flavor Bible, as you can see, this has been through a little bit of wear and tear. So I've had this for quite some time. So how you use this book is to look at, say, I want to make something with crab. What goes well with crab? Then it's got 3 different kind of examples of most important, medium important, and still goes well, but it's not the best. The bold all caps means it goes quite well, dynamite. So the first thing that I'm looking at, bold all caps, avocados. Crab and avocado go really, really well together. The second one is lowercase, still bold, basil, bell peppers, butter, unsalted. So those go quite well with a crab. And then it's got the small case, not cap, but they still go well. So aioli, apples, artichokes, asparagus, so those are going to go well with crab too. So if you want to make a crab dish, you open it up, check out the crab, and you have a list of ingredients right there that you know are going to go well with crab. So let's say that I want to make a crab dish and I see avocados. I just bought avocados from the store and they're at the peak ripeness, so I want to use it today. So I'm like, all right, well, crab, avocados, so avocado toast. It's still kind of morning at this time. So I'm like, well, toast. I just made some gluten-free bread, which is dynamite. So I can think, well, I'll do some avocado toast. I put the crab on there. But what else do I want to put with this crab? So I can go through, I can see that, asparagus is on there. I can see some different herbs, some chili peppers are on there, so I can add a little bit of heat if I want. So I can say I'll take some shishito peppers, I'll char those. I'll go ahead and grill some asparagus, and I'll make a little bit of a salad. I'll put some cilantro, which is on here in there. I'll put some lemons, which is all caps bold, so that goes super well. I'll zest the lemons and then hit a little bit of juice in there. So I've got the shishitos blistered, I've got the grilled asparagus, some lemon. It's got grapefruit. I'll take the segments of the grapefruit, put those in there with that salad, and that'll go on top. And then in my head, it needs still another sauce. So I'll continue to look, and tomatoes, bold all caps. All right, yeah, we'll do some nice tomato sauce, like a fresh tomato sauce. So I'll do some tomatoes pureed, and then what am I going to put in that tomato sauce? So I can go with some shallots in there. I can think, well, I need some richness for that tomato sauce, so some mayonnaise. All right, that's bold. I really can put that in there. That would be fine. Mayonnaise is like a suspended oil, emulsified oil, so that's pretty much all it is. But it also has yogurt, it's got sour cream, so those will give it some richness, so I'll add one of those in there. So let's say add a little bit of yogurt to that tomatoes, add a little bit of soy sauce, which is on here too. Not enough to make it taste Asian, but just to give it that nice, that umami flavor, that fermentation from the soy is very, very quite nice. Some nice black pepper, some fresh. And then one more thing for the make-believe sauce, it's got shrimp on there, all caps bold. So I've got some shrimp shells. I'll simmer that shrimp shell with the tomato sauce, right, to give it that kind of that deep richness. So shrimp and crab, they're going to go well together. So bam, all of a sudden I have a dish that I want to make now. So this one, again, is your copy will look a lot better than mine. But the Flavor Bible, Karen Page and Andrew Dornenberg, they came up with this book, and it just takes the thought away from knowing or thinking about what's going to go well with each other. So if you ever want to come up with a recipe, so you just kind of look through there and see what you like, what you don't like, but you know it's going to go well, and you come up with something, and bada boom, bada bing, you don't need a recipe. We just want to be able to throw stuff together. And this book is going to help you do it. I'm going to put the link in the description below. So click on that. And now a word from our sponsor, Fork in the Road. Fork in the Road, my book. So this one, if you're looking to get into the industry, either going to culinary school or skipping it altogether, this one is right up your alley. Because I'm opening it to page 36, I'm looking at the recipe for success. Ooh. One each on all of the following items. Know the outcome of your goals. Take action on those goals. Know what you're getting out of it when you achieve those goals, the with them. Willingness to change your approach until you get the desired results that you were looking for. So that's one of the things that, if you're doing one thing quite often, consistently, you're not getting the results, you may need to change kind of your either goal or how you're going to approach attaining this goal. Commit to being a team player and maintain a high level of energy. Then it goes through kind of elaborates on those a little bit. I really can't say enough how awesome it is. So go down to the description and check out both these books, The Flavor Bible and Fork in the Road, The Guide to Culinary School Success, and or How to Skip It All Together. All right, I'm out of here. Gotta run. See ya!